How to hide balance in Trade W. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can hide your balance in Trade W so that you can keep your finances private. First of all, launch open the Trade W app on your smartphone, or you can also visit the website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the My Account button at the bottom right corner, and you'll then be able to see this page where your balance will be shown at the top. Tap on the eye icon right next to the balance and you'll be able to hide your balance right away. If you tap on the eye icon again, your balance will reappear. Use this feature when you are in public places or screen sharing. It does not affect your funds, it only hides them visually. This is a great habit if you care about digital privacy. So that's it. You have successfully learned how you can hide your balance from prying eyes in public or with anyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.